I've got this old car, a hot rod, a serious piece of iron, a dual exhaust rumbler, a tire smoking, gear shifting, full bore screaming hunk of Detroit vintage technology, speeding my heart like a mainline shot of adrenaline every time I step on the gas.
Alright guys, getting ready to cut this out and get in some new metal. So here we go. Alright fellas, so got the old stuff out. As you can see there, now I'm ready to I'm almost ready to I'm gonna make that the floor support, bring it down here, weld that up, do the floor, put it all up in there just like how I did this side, and then bring the B pillar down there, and then I should be able to put the rocker on, test the door, line up the cab corner, get everything all lined up properly, and then weld everything up solid when I'm done with that. So and this side will be rust free. That's gonna be awesome. Except I gotta do that little hole, not a big deal. So this is what I do. This is usually how I make my stuff. I bring this up in here like that. I make this can't really do this with one hand. There we go. Alright, see, like that. I make my what do you call it, template out of paper, and then I cut it all out, bend it up, and that's how it goes. So these are really handy to make. Makes life a lot easier making these big templates out of paper, so makes things a lot easier. But it's coming along, and it's gonna be good when it's done. So give you one more shot of that, and see what I did here is I just pulled the cab corner up so that it's not completely off, so that when I'm done with all that work in there, I can push it back down, line it back up, because I really had to get down in there, so I had to cut that a little bit, pull it up, get in there, and now I'm gonna do all that stuff with the floor and the floor support, and then I can push that back down and line it back up, and then put the rocker on, cut that off, put the cab corner on, and everything. So, but it's coming along. So it's coming along. And that is a limited slip. Not sure what gearing it is, but you know, Dana 60. Well, I guess that's all for now. There's that compressor again, just like our peaks. So, alright guys, that's all for now. See ya. Alrighty guys, got my patch panel made up. See, I think they call this the rear floor support. So here it is, guys. Came out pretty good, and this goes right up in here like this. Hopefully I'll be able to tack that soon once I get it the right shape. But that comes down like this, and still need to drill some drain holes and drill on this side. This side I need to drill some holes for the bolts to go through, because this side welds to the floor, and this side has two bolts that goes to the B pillar. So I'll be doing that, getting that done, hopefully tacked up by the end of today, and then maybe I'll put this video up. And well, we'll see. These parts probably would have lasted twice as long if the factory drilled drain holes in them. So that's what I'm gonna do. Oh, it's a bit loose. Alrighty, guys. As you can see, I drilled those holes right there. Drilled those 3 holes. That should be enough to drain it well, I'm thinking. We'll see. And that's something the factory should have did. So this is getting really close to fitting in there well. Gotta do a little customization. Gotta do a little more grinding and whatnot, but it's getting close. Talk to you guys in a little while. Got the gotta get back there. Got the alright, got the rear floor support tacked in there. It's looking real good. Can't really see that good, but here we go, guys. And then, as you can see, those ends meet the inner rocker and stuff. Got my drain holes, custom drain holes, custom drain holes, and got my got it all tacked up in there, and looking real good. Actually wasn't as a pain as I thought. It was a little easier than I thought. So it's tacked up. Tomorrow I'll be weld it up solid, and start working on the floor and the B-pillar. So see how that goes along. Hopefully it'll go pretty good. And I guess that's all for now, guys, and talk to you guys later. Thanks for watching and commenting, and I enjoy watching all your videos out there, and keep posting them. Spring can't come soon enough.